Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Laura, again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious M&M cake using a simple cake mix you can find at any grocery store. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And follow my Instagram at Laura Vanessa. The only ingredients you are going to need are very simple. Number one, your cake mix, of course, vanilla, super moist white, chocolate frosting, yummy yummy, 3 eggs, of course, strawberries for decoration. This is optional, you don't need to have strawberries, but I'm using them to decorate. Sprinkles, M&Ms, your vegetable oil. Let's get started. First thing we are going to do is add the cake mix. I added less oil than the instructions say. The instructions say to add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I added even less than that. I don't feel you need to add that much oil. The cake is gonna taste just as good without it, and it will be healthier for you. So you have to kind of make your own choices on how you feel it's better for you. Another ingredient I'm going to add that's not in the instructions, it's oat milk. The instructions say to add 1 cup of water, but I'm going to add instead 1 cup of oat milk because it gives it a little bit of a creamier taste. If you're not a person who likes oat milk, feel free to use whole milk or almond milk, soy milk, anything you like. So let's add 1 cup. Now we're gonna add some butter to the glass pan so the cake doesn't stick. Now we are simply going to pour the cake mix into the pan. Now that my cake has cooled down, it's time to add the frosting. I'm going to be using my chocolate frosting. Oh, here it is. I thought I lost it. My chocolate frosting. Before I even do the frosting, I have to take the cake out of the glass pan, which is usually the hardest part for me. If you remember my first video with the chocolate cake, yeah, that didn't go too well. But now that I'm more professional, I think this one's gonna be better. Piece of cake. What? That was so easy. Oh my goodness. This is a masterpiece. What? Now it's time for my favorite part. Decorations, M&Ms, and strawberries. And of course, sprinkles. Now that we are finished decorating the beautiful vanilla with chocolate frosting cake, I am going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let the frosting cool in, and then we can try the cake. Time to cut the cake. This is probably the biggest knife you'll ever see me use. Time for the moment of truth. Wow. So good, guys. And the little pieces of M&M. So good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at Laura Vanessa. Bye, guys.